This question says simplify 16 all over 81 all raised to the power 3 over 4. So we say solution. Now this is a question on indices, and we are going to apply the law of indices that says a all over b all raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. Now this law simply says that if you have a fraction a over b, just like we have 16 all over 81, if you have a fraction that is raised to a certain power, and the result is the numerator of the fraction raised to that power, so a raised to the power m, all over the denominator of the fraction raised to that same power, b raised to the power m. So let's apply this law here. And so 16 all over 81 all raised to the power 3 over 4 can be written by this law as 16 raised to the power 3 over 4 divided by 81 raised to the power 3 all over 4. Now, at this point, we want to express this number 16 and 81 in index form. And we know that 16 can be written by prime factorization as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And when you write that in index form, it becomes 2 raised to the power 4. And so in the same way, 81 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that will give us 3 raised to the power 4 in index form. So if we replace this and this with this number 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4, we are going to have that 16 raised to the power 3 all over 4 divided by 81 raised to the power 3 all over 4 is equal to, so 16 was 2 raised to the power 4. So raise all of that to 3 all over 4 divided by 81, which was 3 raised to the power 4, and raise all of that to power 3 all over 4. So at this point, another law of indices says that we are free to multiply these two powers when we have two powers to a particular base. And so we are going to have 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 all over 4, 4 times 3 all over 4, all over, we'll have the same thing here, 3 raised to the power 4 times 3 all over 4. Now, 4 can divide 4, and we are left with 2 raised to the power 3 divided by, here again, 4 can divide this 4, and we have 3 raised to the power 3. And 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8 all over. 3 raised to the power 3 equals 27. And that is your final answer. So if you look at the options, our correct answer is option C, 8 all over 27. Please like and share and follow for more.